Hello，朋友们，大家好。Welcome to Maiden's Kitchen. Today, let's make steamed Char Siu bao. Today, I will show you how to make a classic Chinese bun. I will be making a Chinese Char Siu bun. This light and fluffy bun can be found at any dim sum restaurant, and it's very delicious. Now, I show you how to make it. Let's get started. Let's make the dough. Add flour, baking powder, yeast, sugar. Mix all together. Slowly add water in. Add vinegar. Use your hand to mix it. Now add the pork lard in. Cover, let it last for 1 hour. Let's cut the onion. Cut the end. And cut it in half. Peel the skin. Slice it. And dice it. Next, cut the Char Siu. I will link the recipe for the Char Siu in the description box. We want to slice it up, then mince it. Smells so good. Okay. Let's mix slowly. Add flour, cornstarch, and water. Now heat up a wok and add some oil in. Add onion in. When the onion starts to sweat, add white pepper, oyster sauce, light soy sauce, sugar, water, and dark soy sauce for color. Mix everything together and add in the slurry. When the sauce thickens up, add the Char Siu in. Set the filling aside, let it cool down. Now let's take the dough we made earlier and roll it out. Then split it into 12 even pieces. Make sure to cover it so it doesn't dry out. Now take a piece of dough and knead it. And close one end and turn it into a ball. Now cut some parchment paper to place the dough on. Next, take the bowl to add dough and roll it out. The dough will be thinner around the edges and thicker in the center. Now add some of the filling in the center of the dough. Make sure not to add too much, or else the dough will break. But also make sure you add enough filling. Now place the buns on a steaming rack and steam it. Steam it for 10 minutes, then turn off the heat and leave it inside for 3 to 4 minutes. This helps stop the buns from shrinking after removing from the steamer. Once the bun is done, take it out and it's done. Wow, looks good. Time for this test. It looks amazing. Outside soft and fluffy. The filling sweet and savory. Lian try it, it's very good. The meat is very tasty. It's so delicious. Very fragrant from the onion and pepper. I love Char Siu bao. So good. If you guys have any questions and would like to be mentioned in the next video, feel free to comment. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. If you guys like the video, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Have a nice day, everybody. 再见。